Careful, slow down. Are you gonna splash? Go splash. Thomas! Splash, splash, splash.
Splash.
Oh! Oh, so silly. He's 22 months tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh God. He's just having a blast. Oh, oh, careful! Don't run.
I see a little shiver.
Oh, I'm afraid he's gonna slip. You are so silly. Thunder!
Whoa! Wet. Splash. Right.
Footprints.
Cold outside.
Is it cold now?
Your feet are wet.